Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see about Device Configurator. We can configure two types of devices in SmartComm PMS, third-party devices and preloaded devices. First we will see how to configure third-party devices. Navigate to Viewer window. Go to Configurator, double-click on Device Configurator, wait a while till it opens. To configure third-party devices, click on Import Database. Then click on three dots to import the file. Select the desired file and click on Open. Click on green-colored Import option and click on OK. Click on Save and Close option. Select the device type from the drop-down list, or user can add the device name by using plus icon. Select the device type and standard device name. Or user click on setting icon to give standard device type name and standard device name. Click on plus icon to select the template. Select device type and select the template from drop-down. And wait a while till the template opens. User can perform changes in the template by selecting drop-down for each section. For pole configuration, click on setting icon, select the pole group name from the drop-down or add group name by clicking on plus icon. Also select the pole time. Click on Save. Click on Save to save the settings. Select the template name from drop-down. Select the tag list group. Enter the device name by clicking on plus icon and click on Save. Under Dashboard path is added by default. User can add their desired path by clicking on plus icon. Select the Modbus device. Click on Save. Navigate to IDE window. Open Tag Editor using shortcut Ctrl+T. Once device configuration is done, the tags will be visible for that object. Now we will see how to configure preloaded device. Go to Configurator, double-click on Device Configurator. Device Configurator window will open. For preloaded device, select the standard device type and standard device name. Select the device type, template, tag list group. To select device name, click on plus icon, enter name and click on Save. Select Modbus device. Click on Save. Now, navigate to IDE window. Open the tag editor using shortcut Ctrl+T. Device configuration is done. That's all about device configuration. You can refer to SmartComm help file for more information.
Thank you for watching.